Okay, y'all, so the refrigerator is finally here. Alright, y'all, they had to take the whole door off just to get the refrigerator in because it's so wide. That's the refrigerator coming out. They better not damage it. Alright, guys, so here's the refrigerator. It's the Kenmore model. And yep, very nice inside. Yep, and that's the freezer. Yeah, and I have a stand-up deep freezer that we got for free off of Facebook. The guy gave it to us for free, so I'm gonna put that in my laundry room for now until we close in the carport and closing into a garage. So yeah, so I'm just show y'all putting all this food up. All this food, this is not all of it, but I gotta go through this refrigerator. I ain't gonna show y'all because it's dirty inside, but yeah, it's dirty. That's a quick view. And this stuff in the freezer. All right. Okay, so the last appliance that I have to purchase is going to be the microwave. And it's gonna go right here. The range microwave is gonna go right there. And I will be done with appliances. I'm done with cabinets. Waiting on one more pantry to come in. And that pantry is gonna go right next to this pantry. It's gonna go right there. Yeah, so we're almost there. Almost there. But I'm about to put up this food really quick. And I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, happy Wednesday. So I'm headed to meet somebody to sell my statistics book. That's a tongue twister for me. So I'm meeting him, and then I don't know, I may go by Goodwill, or I'll probably stop in Diddy's over here to see. I ain't been in there in a minute, and then I'm gonna just go back home. But y'all, my class starts today, right? So I called advising after being able to get through after a week, and they tell me that I was dropped for non-payment. And I'm like, how am I dropped for non-payment when I have a Pell Grant? The class is only like $300 and something, and my Pell Grant was like $474. So I had to send an override email, and that takes 24 to 48 hours for them to respond and either override it or not. And I'm going to go to class anyway because they did me like this last semester, and it caused me to be a week behind on each class. So I had to catch up 2 weeks of work in 1 week, and I'm not trying to do that again. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to class tonight and go from there. And I need to sign up for foreign language, which I hate how they changed the system because it's different now. It's hard to find classes. So I had to fill out a form for them to find a class for me. And I'm taking it only because I don't need it for my AA degree, but I need it for my bachelor's. And I didn't take foreign language in high school. Don't ask me why. I don't know why they didn't put me in there like they were supposed to. I don't know, but now I'm having to take it now. So yeah, but it's been a crazy week, and a busy week. But God will get me through. He always get me through. Yes, I'm feeling distressed. I'm feeling that all. But this guy's here, so I'll talk to y'all in a second. Okay, he was nice. So let me see. Yeah. I made my $30 back from this class, so trying to see. Let me see. Yeah, I guess I'll go. I really ain't even been in the shopping mood, y'all. I'm so I don't think I'm gonna go to DD's right now, y'all. I'm gonna go straighten out the stove. Hey y'all, so I'm back. I'm headed to class now. Class starts at 5, but it's about 4:05 right now. I just have to leave early because the traffic be so bad around this time, and plus I live like so far away from campus, this particular campus. So right now I feel unstable because, as I explained earlier, I'm still dealing with that situation, and I'm going to this class, but I mean, I don't know if they're gonna. Most likely they're going to override it and let me get into the classroom, but it's still an unstable feeling. But I'm just gonna go so that I won't be behind in case I do get into the class. Okay guys, so I'm leaving class and it actually went well. Like at first I was like, this professor kind of sarcastic, but she's really cool, and I can really tell she wants her students to learn, and that she cares about her students. I used a microscope for the first time in my life because I took anatomy 1 and 2. I took that online, and we had like a virtual microscope we would use, and it's much different when you're hands-on. Now I'm wishing I would have brought that microscope I saw at Goodwill because I could have practiced more on that, but she said we're going to get plenty of practice in class, and I like that. Like once you get your what is it called? I'm gonna just say specimen. Once you get your specimen in line, and someone else needs help getting theirs in line, she really practices helping each other. So you go help your classmate. And everybody did well. Everybody got along. I was nervous at first because I'm like, dang, I'm the only black person in class. And then, but later on, 2 more black girls came. But you know, I was worried, about not being able to get into class because of this reason. She told me, I explained to her once she got in, she said, well, are you one of the people who emailed me earlier? And I was like, no, I emailed someone else who advised and told me to email. It's gonna get dark, y'all. And she was like, okay, well, if these 2 people don't show up, then I'll let you take one of the spots. And it was another girl too who had just got added, and she was like, I'll let the other girl take the spot. So guys, I was praying the whole time. I was like, I hope nobody else don't come. I hope they don't come. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm like, I need the spot in this class. So as sign came on, 2 more people showed up. I'm like, oh my God, I might as well just get up and leave. My spots are over with. But she was like, I'd rather teach my students who are here that showed up to class versus those who haven't showed up, especially on the first day. And she was like this person here, it was one person who didn't come. So she was like, but you know what? Because I was worried because those 2 people came, and then plus the other girl who had emailed her. So she was like, don't worry about it. I'm going to fit you in, and because you showed up, and this person who didn't come, I'm just going to drop them. She was like, they may not know it, but I sent the email out today saying if you don't show up for day 1, then I'm automatically dropping you. So it worked out in my favor. God heard my prayers. Alright, I'm walking in DD's. Are they closed? The hell, should I nobody in here? Hey, how you doing? I like these globes. I wish it was in silver. It's $6.99. I like these trash bags. Only $3.99. I think the gold wash looks better, to be honest. A lot of bling and pearls. I'm making it quick, y'all, because they're playing loud music. Look at this cute apron. $8.99. It's cute. Man, that music is loud. How cute. Oh, look at these. These are so cute. I'm gonna have to get this for somebody I know. I think this is nice. I came in for another one of those egg trays I brought, but they only have this one. It's kind of small, so I'm not gonna get that one. They have a set of these mugs. These match the plates that I got from here. I mean, yeah, the plates and the bowls. You get 4 for $6.99. But I just don't have the room for any more mugs. I have enough. It's just good to have. Make cookies. That's a long song. This song been playing forever. That's neat. I think I may get this because I've been looking for a stainless steel one, and this comes with the smaller one too, which I could use in the office, I guess. It's a cute overnight bag, $19.99 or so. It's like an overnight bag. That's nice. I think I'm gonna get this. It's $4.99. And these little muffin thingies, I forgot what they're called. Muffin silicone cups. They are reusable. They come out. Good morning, y'all. Happy Thursday. So, I'm almost through with this week. This has been a busy week, like filled with appointments in school. So, with school, I decided to, I prayed about it, and I also was getting opinions from other people to just take microbiology by itself and don't try to take Spanish right now, because they were saying that Spanish, if you've never taken it before and you don't know Spanish at all, it can be difficult because there's a lot of writing and presentations, and I know right now that's not probably going to be the best decision to make, because microbiology is very intense, and I need to give all my attention to that class, and I want to pass because this is like a needed class. Spanish is like, I would need a foreign language for my BA, so as soon as I finish microbiology, and I think the class is over in May, but my schedule is showing like April 24, so as soon as I complete that, then I'll go ahead and take Spanish, and I'll take it in the fall if I don't make it into the nursing program in the fall like I plan on. But if I do make it into the nursing program in fall, then I'll just I'll take it once I complete the nursing program. So that's how that's gonna go. But I made it home, so I'll check you guys later. I'm about to get back to work, and then I gotta get Sanaya ready for her business appointment. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. I got my husband's shirt on, y'all. This shirt be so comfortable.